was young, younger than now. I went to school like always. We took our bags, we took a trip to Freddy's Pizzeria. There was a sign, no frowns allowed. We passed through glowing doorways. The air was filled with not a care in our world. Then I saw ya. The janitor said,
"Come with me, got something cool to show ya."
I followed him into the back where costumes lined the walls. There were 3 of us there, and we sat there and stared. The janitor took away our contented looks. He stopped and he pushed us into wireframe suits. He ran from the lot while he left us to rot.
Camera 1 and 2 and 3, I swear to God they're after me. I see the faces on the screen, but nowhere they are to be seen. Lock the doors and keep it shut, don't let them in no matter what. No power left, an empty cup, don't let those doors open up.
Now that might sound bad, I know, but there's really nothing to worry about. The animatronic characters here do get a bit quirky at night, so just be aware, the characters do tend to wander a bit. They're left in some kind of free roaming mode at night. Something about their servos locking up, they get turned off for too long. But then there was the bite of 87.
4 years we rotted in these shells, our souls never ascending. Our fragile bones had fused with steel and wires never ending. The others have long since forgot their roots in mortality. I still hold tight to what's left of what once was my reality. It's and I wait for a change of my face, but the longer we stay, brings longer dismay. And now we are here, after 30 odd years. We cry underneath rows of plaster frame tears.
Camera 1 and 2 and 3, I swear to God they're after me. I see their faces on the screen, but nowhere they are to be seen. Lock the door and keep it shut, don't let them in no matter what. No power left, an empty cup, don't let those doors open up.
I must admit that it is you, Mr. Schmidt, that brings back the pain that has kept us detained. I think of that day when my life was stripped away. The janitor, he looks like you to me.
Camera 1 and 2 and 3, I swear to God they're after me. I see their faces on the screen, but nowhere they are to be seen. I'm the one who took your lives, but it seems that you never died. Took this job to pay the bills, but this job might just get me killed.
Thank you.